Jose Mourinho signs contract to become new Man United boss. Jose Mourinho has signed a pre-contract agreement to become the new Manchester United boss, according to stunning reports in Spain. Newspaper El País have tonight claimed that Mourinho has given the green light to replacing Louis van Gaal. The report stops short of saying Mourinho will definitely be the new United manager, though. But if he isn't, the Red Devils will have to shell out compensation for not appointing him. It's claimed. If a deal isn't done before May 1st, United will have to pay Mourinho a staggering £5 million. And if he's still not signed by June 1st, they will have to hand the special one another £10 million. Mourinho has chased the United job for months and is desperate to return to the Premier League. El País claim a deal hasn't been done finalized for good as United are still scouring the market for potential alternatives. Mauricio Pochettino, Ryan Giggs, or Dortmund boss Thomas Tuchel have been mooted as possible bosses if Mourinho doesn't take charge. Real Madrid had considered moving for Mourinho themselves and contacted Jorge Mendes about bringing him back. But the super agent told them Mourinho was reluctant to return and that an agreement had been made with United in February. An Inter Milan director confirmed last month that Mourinho was ready to take the United job. Doorstepped by reporters as she left a restaurant following a meal with Mourinho, Viti Moratti, sister of former club president Massimo Moratti, said, "We had a good time, he's great. He's missed as a person, but right now he's happy, he's going to Manchester."